Hello guys, your tablet Huawei MatePad T8, this 8-inch display. Open box, look complementation. In complementation we have tablet in a black color. Complementation, adapter for charging and micro USB cable. Okay, that's all complementation. Tablet made of metal and plastic. On the back side camera, the front side 8-inch display front camera. On this side slot for micro SD card for memory. On the right side power key and volume keys. Upside speaker and headphones jack. Downside micro USB port. Turn on tablet. Open settings, about tablet. CPU MediaTek MT 8768, 2GB RAM memory, resolution HD+, 16GB internal memory. Okay. Open Antutu benchmark, look Antutu score, ranking, and multi-touch test. 10 touches support display. Okay. Okay, device without Google services. We have only Huawei services on another. App gallery. We don't have Play Market, but we have app gallery. Okay. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.